That's yum.
How is it? How is it? It's good. Oh! What's up, guys? So yesterday I was vlogging and I made pancakes, and then I made them like different varieties. Basically it's the same batter, same everything, extra protein filled. And then for my mom, I put Nutella in the middle, so it's like when she eats the pancake, it drops out like lava. And then for my dad, I put banana inside. And then for my sister-in-law, I had put banana and Nutella mixed together. So everybody had a taste test. I recorded all that and I was gonna post that, but then I was like, why would I post this without also putting the recipe? So I was like, let me just go ahead and make a video of how to make these extra packed protein pancakes, my version. Remember, there's a ton of videos out there that you can look up for different type of recipes to make these protein pancakes. However, this is my recipe. I find this the best, most convenient so far. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy. Try out these pancakes. Simple ingredients, nothing too hard to get your hands on. Here we go. Alright guys, so what you're gonna need is Kodiak pancakes. I get the buttermilk one. That's the one I got right now. Obviously there's different ones. You can always get different ones. I do want to let you know what I use to have flavor in the pancakes. I use protein powder, so you can mix that with this and have whatever flavor you desire. Next is egg whites. Make sure you get your egg whites, and like I said, can't forget your protein powder. I have this one right here. I have the regular vanilla flavor. I like vanilla. I can make a lot of things out of the vanilla one. I don't really drink regular protein shake. It upsets my stomach sometimes. It doesn't even taste that good, so why not make something out of it, eat out of it, make a smoothie, drink out of it, whatever you like. Oh, and one more ingredient is the milk. You can use any milk you want. You want less calories, almond milk is your choice. If you drink a lot of milk, I don't drink a lot of milk. I don't really care right now. So I'm gonna get the regular milk. So yeah, that's all the ingredients you need. You don't need a scale for this. You can just use measuring cups. You know those cups that tell you how many milliliters or how many ounces just on the cup. You can just use that. This is what I'm talking about. See how it says 4 ounces, 8 ounces, 12 ounces, whatever. You can use that to measure it out, or you can use the cups or whatever. If you have a scale, just use a scale. If you're good with your eyes, use your eyes, whatever you want. So what we first start with are the egg whites. You're gonna get your cup, fill it up to 6 ounces. There you go, 6 ounces. Now, what I do is, I like my pancakes to get really fluffy and thick. They taste so much better when they're like that. And to do so, what you can do is, with your egg whites, get a mixer. You start mixing it until it starts looking like heavy whipping cream. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mouth.
So look, you want to mix it until it's hard. Look, it doesn't even shake. But this isn't ready yet. You see how it's mixing around? It's white, almost like whipping cream, but it still moves around. You don't want it to move around. You want a solid texture. That's gonna give you the best pancakes, the best fluffy protein pancakes.
I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same.
You got one of these are really handy.
Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey.
On to the next step. Get your measurement thing. I get the protein powder. I'm gonna put in 1 scoop. And then I get the Kodiak pancakes mix. The Kodiak pancake mix. So we put 1 scoop of the protein powder in. Now what you're gonna do is fill up the rest up to a cup of the pancake mix. So 1 cup is right here by my thumb. And I'm just gonna fill it up. A little bit more. A little bit more. Perfecto. So it's right by 1 cup. The protein powder and the pancake mix should make 1 cup. 1 scoop of the protein powder and the rest of the mix. Okay, so what you're gonna do is put 6 ounces of milk in there. 6 ounces is right here. So we're gonna fill up to my thumb. There we go, that's 6 ounces. We good, we good. Get your mixer. Oh wait, before your mixer, I would try to mix it a little with that so it doesn't spill everywhere, you know, and get a mess everywhere. That has happened for me, and that was not a good idea. So here we go. Mix it up a little. Make sure you get the edges. Something it can get stuck on the edges sometimes. And you just mix it a little. Don't mix it too much. Alright. We don't need this no more. Okay, hold on. So this part is really crucial. You cannot mess up on this part. Do not use the mixer. The mixer, just put it in the sink. That's out of the scenario. We do not want that. You get the egg white. You don't want to break the texture that you worked so hard to get, put in so much time, so many minutes just to get that fullness, thickness of the egg whites. Now, what you do with that fullness, thickness is you put it in the mixture. Use whatever this thing is. Slowly, just a little bit. You don't have to put all of it at once. Put it in, give it a little mix. I usually just push it down and go up. Nothing too harsh. Nothing too harsh. We just go into it and make the texture thicker and thicker. It's gonna turn from a liquid to a old goodness of thickness.
And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
I'm gonna leave some in here for towards the end, because sometime when I get towards the end and I've been cooking for a while, because it does take a little while for the fluffiness of the pancakes to cook, my batter sometimes isn't as thick anymore. It turns liquidy again, and when it turns liquidy again, I'll have more in here just to go put back in there, turn it thick again, no problem, just easy like that. 2-minute transformation of batter. Okay, so another thing I got is some white chocolate chips. They're about 90 to 100 calories. I don't mind some chocolate chips. So here we go, let's go ahead and get started making these pancakes. So whatever size you want, go ahead and pour your mix into the pan. Then I put some chocolate chips in the middle. You don't have to put it in the middle, you can put it anywhere. It doesn't have to be chocolate chips. It can be bananas, it can be blueberries, any fruits you want, anything really you want. Be creative. And then go ahead and get a lid. Put the lid on top of it, let it get a little fluffy. After a minute or so, I usually open it back up, get a little bit of batter with where that thing is, and then cover up chocolate chips or whatever it may be, and I just push it down a little and then cover up the top with a little bit of the batter. As it cooks, it all gets sucked inside, and then when you flip it, the bottom doesn't get burned because it's not leaking out. It is all covered inside the fluffiness, and whenever you take a bite, your little surprise of whatever you put in there is gonna be right in the middle. Anything that's popping out, any of your toppings that's popping out, they're nicely covered. Put the lid back on, let it cook for a couple of minutes. When you're ready, you go ahead and flip them out. So as you can see, they are nearly cooked. The top, where the topping is a little bit still moist. That's fine, you can wait until it's fully cooked a little, but I'm gonna just flip it right now, see how it turns out. Here we go, let's go ahead and flip these bad boys. Just go underneath, bam. There we go. 1 down. 3 to go. Whoop. Bam. Easy. Nothing too hard. Simple, just like that. Whoop. Whoa. We had one mess up, but it's all good. It's all good. Just let it cook over there. We're just gonna let it cook over there. Put the lid back on. Let it cook for another couple of minutes. I say 2 minutes, 3 minutes, depending how you want it. But a good way to test if it's actually done or not, you get a toothpick, and go to the pan, pick whichever you want, push a toothpick in there, take it out, and as you can see, it's not done yet because some things come out. Whenever nothing comes out as you stick in the toothpick, that's when your pancake's fully done and you're able to eat it. So go ahead and put the lid back on and give it another couple minutes.
Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me
So here we are with the final product. These are my extra packed protein pancakes. This is what they look like. I like to make them small lately and they get nice and fluffy. I have my little chocolate chips in there. It tastes so good. I'm gonna put it right here, what the macros are, and also how much calories it is. I'm not gonna include the chocolate chips. You can add whatever toppings you want of your choice. Remember, any fruits. You can put the sugar-free caramel syrup on the pancakes. I recommend that on the plain ones without any toppings. You want the extra taste in there. But if you don't, that's no problem either, because whatever whey protein you use or what type of protein you use or flavor you add in with that, it's gonna be in there and it's gonna taste amazing. I've never tried anything other than vanilla and chocolate. So if you guys try any other whey proteins, let me know how it tastes and what flavor you use. I would probably try it next time too. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like these pancakes. They're easy to make, nothing too hard. Good luck and enjoy. Alright, before I leave off, I do want to say, people who are trying to lose weight or whatever, just know this one rule or this one important thing and you'll have success. The only way you will lose weight, no matter what diet program you go through, no matter what your plan is, you have to be in a caloric deficit. To be in a caloric deficit, you eat less than your maintenance calories. The best way to figure that out without counting all the macros and everything I say is track what you don't have to track what you're eating mentally, or use your phone if you want to go deeper into it, but track what you're eating. Try having the same meals so you can see what those meals do to your body. Try having the same amount and be consistent with what you're eating. See if your weight is going up or down. If it's going up, you're eating too much, you're in a caloric surplus. If your weight is maintaining, that means you're eating enough of how much calories your body needs. And if your weight is going down, that means you're eating less than what your body needs, and that is good. That's how you will lose weight. However, if you want to retain muscle and only lose fat, of course it gets more complicated. You gotta watch what you're eating, have your protein intake up, and also do some exercises. I'll touch on the subject further in another video, but here are little things just to let some people know. You have to be in a caloric deficit in order to lose weight. A good amount to lose every week is 1%, not 20, not 10, 1% of how much you weigh. So if you weigh around 200 pounds, that's 2 pounds a week. If you're like 130, 140, that's 1 pound a week. I'm guessing you can do the math, go with the math, and you'll get the best results and you'll get the healthiest results. Again, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'm out. So here's one of them. This one had also Nutella in it. I made this one for my mom. Let's see how it goes. Check her.
Nutella.
Wow. Yum. Okay, so these have bananas in there, so it's just protein packed pancakes with some bananas. My dad will try this one. Banana, alright. What are you? So there's a banana in there. It's so good. How does it taste? How does it taste? Here we are, third person to try my pancake. This has banana and Nutella in it. Here's my sister-in-law trying out. Ooh.
That's good.
Oh, wow. Ooh. Sufyan. Ooh.
You wanna try some?
Let's see, he tries some.
That's yum.
How is it? How is it? It's good. Oh, even look. Now you guys have to try it just because he said it was good. So good. So good. So good. Mwah, 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 mwah.
I was born to be victorious. Most definitely.